dancing. I'm dancing. How can I stop? God, please. Stand. And besides, I got an event to be at. Event. Yeah, Roblox. Go Garden. What the? Oh, this guy. Yay. Money. I'm getting a lot. I'm gonna go for it. Yes, music. Okay, this is up. I don't know how many parts this is gonna be. Hopefully part 3 is gonna be the last. Better not. Oh jeez. Oh shit. Okay. No. No. Live up the servers. Well, the server's gonna crash. Okay, at least I got this. Wait, what? What the? What is this? What? I don't want to be a kid whenever they get angry. You are. Oh no. I'm probably gonna go insane. Wait, what? You're lonely? Wait, where? What? I'm scared. I'm very scared. I'm probably gonna die. What the? Not dead. Let's just eat the flamingo. Then flamingo. Then eagle flamingo. Why is he singing in your direction? What happens if I touch the laser? Why are both screaming? I'm touching it. I touched the laser. Let me touch it. touch it, leave. I ain't read enough. Oh god. See ya. Oh my god. What's up here? He's going mad with power. Why? Why did you give him power then? If he's gonna get mad with power, don't do it. Just don't. Yes. Very normal. Very normal. Alright. Let's see. Okay, seriously, I don't even know how many parts I'm making. Probably until that update counter on the left is done. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. I failed us. What the? Ah, not again. Oh my god, it did. It died. It did. Oh my god, I'm basically doing everything in this thing. Oh shoot. I did now. Yo, bro. What do you got for $999 billion? What the? I can't even jump onto it. It's literally impossible to jump to it. Whoa. Flamingo died. No. He was one of my favorite YouTubers. You should subscribe to him and my channel. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Kinda. Flamingo! Oh, so I will grab it. Now it's my turn. What? What? How long will this video last? Why is he wearing a chest hat? What the? Food! Dang. Dang. Dang! What was that? The slice? Ooh, my plants into little bits and pieces.
If he had any.
Yes. Alright.